I'm not. Yeah, the wood's all rotten, so yeah, don't go on that. Oh, son of a bitch, was that the easier way?
I think so. But the last one,
What's over there?
I was looking to see if there was another mine entrance, but I don't see one. Go. Look it up there toward the top behind you, Dad. That's obviously a mine that they fenced off.
Come here and take some pictures, Tom, but don't walk on this wood. I guarantee you're gonna fall.
Oh, I don't think I want to necessarily do that.
Come over here and take some pictures.
Hang on now. Here we go.
Can I pull this lever? Do you think I'll do anything?
What?
This lever?
Wrong lever, wrong.
A lever? Oh, look at this. God damn.
Wow, it's almost as rusty as your knife, Tom.
Think if I pull this, it'll do anything?
Don't pull the lever. Do not pull the fucking lever.
Stand on that side of it.
Ready?
Let me get out of the way first. Yeah, go ahead. Pull.
Babe.
There's nothing hooked up, babe. It starts moving.
If you beheaded me,
I would be beheaded before anybody. I'm fucking the tallest one here.
You're fucking the tallest one here? You're fucking yourself?
Well, I think you're missing a piece, Tom. I think you're missing a piece. Yeah, you can tell it split right there.
Can you see us all?
I'm coming. Maybe your flashlight's on. I can't see her.
Your head's gone. No, I mean, just.
What a surprise.
Oh, here we are.
Okay, there you are. Okay. Let me try to zoom in just a tad.
Okay.
I don't know if it's going to come out. I hope.
So what I like to think of is that, 100 and some odd years ago, somebody had to come up that trail carrying this shit.
Yeah, the mule.
Well,
Mule.
yeah. But that would not have been a...
Well, did you see how the path we came on and it splits and there's another path that goes overhead?
There's some great pictures over there.
Splits and goes where?
Up. There's another trail that splits and goes up.
Oh, I thought...
Yeah, it looks like a mule path or something.
Look way the fuck up there at the top. You see the chain link fence?
Oh, yeah.
That was on one of the videos I was watching when they put that chain link fence around that. There's a really nice mine up there.
This must have been an electric, this electric pump right here, or this electric thing. So look, you could see the wire right there. Wrapped.
Oh.
It's kind of fascinating.
Well, I guess they could have strung electric up to here. I just don't know that they would have. I would have thought this would have been diesel operated. Yeah.
Yeah, look at that fucking thing.
Don't step on that.
Not with me. You can take a picture without me.
Taking it through all the steps. Yeah.
Must be all the mining gears. And right about here, if you can see, you can actually see a hairline crack. It actually started to go through this, and then you can see where it cracked over there in the middle.
Come down here.
Second floor.
There's a second floor?
Yeah, I don't know if I would go on the second floor.
I tried the second floor. It didn't quite work out.
Babe, I'm pretty sure that was the roof. What was all this stuff over here, Tom?
Look, 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 look. There's a label. Look, it's down there too. That's not graffiti. It's like legitimately a label.
Cyanidity? Cyan.
It says SHO or something. Look, it's over here too. Look, the manufacturer's for
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Hey, check these out.
I was just gonna say,
Look at these.
yes, go ahead and.
I'm not touching that rusty ass fucking.
Oh, come on, for Christ's sakes! You think the coronavirus has made it up here?
What, this thing?
Okay, you pick up the other one.
I got all these splinters in my hands too, so hopefully nothing rubs off. It's just rust, babe.
Move in closer together. Now, compare your shafts.
Please stop. Stop.
Can you hear it all the way down there?
I was wondering about that. How far that. This stuff looks like it's still in pretty good shape.
Yeah.
Boy, they could turn this into a carnival ride, like a zip line. Minor zip line. They got the ore cart down there already.
Babe, come sanitize. Please.
If this wasn't a national park, I would hella take one of these.
Oh, I know. I was thinking that. Say what? Yeah. Not yet. He's still looking. Okay, how do you get into? Oh, wow. So how does this all work? Jesus, this is fascinating.
What's that?
The size of this crap. Well, so obviously the ore is coming out these things. How do you get into that top part? Oh yeah, look at that timber right there, the way it's cracked. See, somebody's bolted it back in. But
Oh yeah. Oh shit, you okay?
ore carts over here. Yeah.
Hey, you guys know it's 3:35?
Yeah, we've got to be heading back down pretty soon, but we're good.
Thought I'd let you know.
Yeah, we got 3 hours.
Okay.
And going down will be a lot quicker. Can you see over here the ore carts? So, I don't see any, well, the ore, oh, there's shit in there.
Oh, fuck.
So the ore,
There is stuff in
I wonder
there.
how they got it. Oh, check it out, Justin, look. Okay, so the ore came down. That obviously went over the top.
Yeah.
The ore got dumped into this thing. Then they let it come out into the, you know, the
Hopper.
ore carts going down. So this thing is just a hopper full of ore, and there's still ore in there. You see it?
Yeah, I do.
So there's the mine up there. The crap ends up down here. It comes out over the top of that thing, the thing that you said on broke, and then it got dumped into the top of this. Then there were the little sluice gates on the other side where it emptied into the cart. Wouldn't it be cool to have one of these things in your yard? I mean, if you were into historical objects.
The law says that 5 people have to keep some of these screws.
If your fat ass goes through that ore cart, that's going to be a great story and great video.
Nice. Yeah, I'm sitting down there on the ground. I can see you saying it now. Got it. Where was the trail that you said went in another?
I went up this way.
Yeah, that looks good to me. Well, this is closer.
Yeah, that wasn't too bad because there's already footprints there. All right, have a sandwich.
You bet.
Oh, I'll wait for her hand wash shit since she has it. That was awesome. I got all that on GoPro too.
Cool.